Okay, so now we're going to build our decoder circuit off of what we have here. So you see I already have X, X naught, Y naught, Z, and Z naught because those are our inputs. And we're looking for A, B, C as our outputs. So A is equal to X naught. So I'm just going to take X naught over here and say that equals A. Now I'm going to build my next circuit. So I got Y, B is equal to Y, which is going to be ORed with something. Okay. But now I got to build the rest of it, which is X naught, Z naught, and together. So I'm going to bring X naught down. And then I need Z naught. So I'm going to bring Z naught up, and I'm going to AND them together. And that output is going to go into the OR gate. And that output, let's not draw this way so far, is going to be B. Okay. Now I got to get my C. Well, I got Y naught and Z naught ANDed together. So I'm going to bring Y naught down, bring it over here, and then I can just bring my Z naught from here over, and I'm going to AND them together. And then I'm going to AND Y and Z together. So Y and Z. So I'm going to bring my Z down. And I'm going to bring my Y down. And I'm going to AND them two together. And then this output and this output go into an OR gate. And my answer is, oops, that's kind of a crappy C. My answer is C. So that is my encoder circuit, or my decoder circuit for the encoder that I built. Same thing, the way we do it is you guys go back in and check everything. We'll do the first one together, but then you go back. So let me put in X is a 0, which makes X naught a 1. Y naught, or Y is a 0, which makes Y naught a 1. And then Z is a 0, which will make Z naught a 1. So now when I go through and I do my circuit, well, X naught is a 1, A is 1, because A equals X naught. So when I do the next one, Y is a 0. So I got a 0 going into this OR gate here. Now I got to do this AND gate. Well, X naught is a 1. And Z naught is a 1. A 1 and 1 into an AND gate gives me a 1 out. 1 and a 0 into a OR gate gives me a 1 out. Now I got to do my last one. Well, Z naught going in is a 1. Y naught is a 1. So 1 and 1 gives me a 1. So I got a 1 going into my OR gate. Now my last one, I got Y and Z. So Y is a 0. And Z is a 0. 0 and a 0 gives me a 0. So I got a 1 and a 0 going into the OR gate, gives me a 1 out. So when I got 0, 0, 0, and I should get 1, 1, 1, and that's what my truth table tells me. So you guys do the rest of them. Remember, when I get here, I really don't care, but get the output anyway. But I don't care what the output is. It could be 0, 0, 0 for all I care. Okay? So you guys run through those, and that's the lab that you're going to do for encoders and decoders. You're actually going to build these circuits and verify the truth tables. Have fun with the lab. Bye.